Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing the review of one of the most iconic Louis Vuitton pieces, the Pochette Accessories, so if you are interested, please stay tuned. And here it is. This is a Louis Vuitton Pochette Accessories in Epi Leather, and the color is called Figue. It's this beautiful purple. It's kind of like bluish purple. Very pretty. Looks to be in pretty good condition so far on this side. And let's turn it over. Pretty good here. As you can see, there's an LV logo right here in the corner. Other than that, there's no other logos anywhere. I don't see any scratches. This is one thing that I was most worried about. Epi Leather is super durable, but it is prone to scratching, and once you scratch it, there's really not much you can do. So I'm just really trying to take a good look to make sure that there's no scratches whatsoever, because this item was listed in very good condition, and it does look to be in a very good condition to me so far. Everything looks fine, all the stitching. And now let's see the zipper. The zipper is pretty smooth. Let's take a look at this piece here. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And the strap itself looks to be in good condition as well. This piece has silver hardware. It's a bit scratched. If you can see, right here is where I see some scratching. However, it's not a big deal. This is like a little closer look. As you know, the strap can detach completely, so you just need to pull out this piece right here all the way out, and then you can detach it from this side. And so when you take the strap off, you can attach maybe like a chain, even like a longer crossbody chain, or a different kind of strap, so you can play around with different lengths, and you can kind of make this into a crossbody bag versus just a shoulder bag, or maybe even wear it as a clutch without the strap right here. I've kind of been on a lookout for the specific item, the Pochette Accessories in Epi Leather in this color Figue, for a while now, and I remember seeing this color for the first time years ago, and I just fell in love. I love purple. Lavender is my favorite color, and this color just spoke to me, and I thought to myself, one day I would love to have something in this color. Probably not like a big size handbag. Maybe it's like a bit too much and would be a little bit hard to style. I know they made wallets in this color and Epi Leather. However, I really have plenty of SLGs, and I'm really trying not to buy any SLGs this year. People can say it's an SLG, but to me, I'm intending to use it as a handbag, so it is more of a bag than an SLG in my opinion. So yeah, I guess my dream of owning something in this color finally came true. I'm pretty happy with the condition. Let's open it. I believe they did state that there were some stains inside, and that's why the condition was very good versus excellent. As you can see, there's a side pocket. It has this like Alcantara suede-like interior. It's kind of hard to see in this lighting. However, you can see a little bit of staining on the sides here. Small stains, nothing really major. Overall, looks pretty good to me, so I'm happy with that. And the color of this interior, if you can see, it matches perfectly with the outside. Here's the pocket. Yeah, so it looks pretty good. And next, I'm going to show you guys what fits inside this bag. And also, I will do some mod shots and show you how it looks on. So let's do some mod shots. And here I have my Pochette Felicie to show you guys the size comparison. And hopefully you can see. The Pochette Accessories is a bit wider at the bottom here, but narrower at the top. Overall, it's a pretty similar size. Pochette Accessories is a little bit wider and just a smidge taller. There you go, two side by side. So hopefully this is helpful for those of you who are trying to decide between these two. And I also want to try to attach the chain from Pochette Felicie to this Pochette Accessories, even though it is gold and my Pochette Accessories is silver hardware. So I probably wouldn't wear it like that, but if I were to find a similar silver chain, then this will give us an idea of what it would look like crossbody on a longer chain. So, ooh, yellow gold hardware looks amazing with this color. Not sure why they didn't do it with the gold hardware. I think it would look so good. So now let me put this on my shoulder for you guys and see what that looks like. I think it looks pretty good. And this is crossbody. Let me know what you guys think. Would you wear it like this? I think it looks good. What do you think? Okay, so now let's see what fits inside. And let me just start with a Louis Vuitton zippy wallet. Let's see. Yep, it fits perfectly. Doesn't take too much room. And let's say if I wanted to bring my Chanel mirror, right there, and then maybe my AirPods, fits pretty well so far. And then my car keys with the round coin purse, fits right there. And I'm using my old iPhone 6 because I'm filming on my iPhone 14 Pro. It would definitely fit in there, but for the sake of the visuals, let's use this and just slide it in there. Okay, now let's see if I can close it. Yep, it closes. It got a little bit misshapen right here. However, not too bad on the side. So got pretty heavy, but everything fits. So it definitely fits all your essentials right here. When I wear something small like this as my handbag, my personal preference is not to use like a fuller size wallet like this and use a card holder instead. So we'll see how that works. So let's empty it. And now let's start with my phone, a card holder, my keys with the zippy coin purse. So your phone, your cards, and your keys. 3 of the most essential items. It fits perfectly. There's no bulging, no stretching. This is your grab and go. And if I wanted to add my mirror, I could, definitely. And also my AirPods as well. It still fits. It still looks pretty good with all that stuff in there. And let's see. You could even fit a lipstick on top here. And it looks perfect. There you go. With all that stuff in there. So we had a lipstick, AirPods, card keys, Chanel mirror, card case, and a phone. It can fit pretty much everything you need on a daily basis. I have my makeup bag here. Let's see if it would fit by itself. Obviously it fits, so you can bring your makeup bag. and you can put your card case and your phone. And you know, the mirror can go in there as well. I wouldn't try stuffing my keys in there because they're pretty bulky. If you have like a smaller keychain with a couple keys, then it wouldn't be a problem. This is an option as well. Guys, and also I wanted to experiment and see if I can make it into a multi-pochette because I have this mini pochette, as you may know. So yeah, let's see if that can be done. I'm gonna go ahead and attach it here, and then take this hook off and attach it here. All right, so there you go. This is a little multi-pochette now. Although I would probably put like an extender here or some additional link or something like that, so it kind of sits less crooked than this, but this is just an idea. If you do have a pochette accessories and a mini pochette, then you can DIY a little multi-pochette like I did here. And this also gives you a size comparison between the pochette accessories and the mini pochette. So you can see that it is quite a bit wider, as well as taller and deeper for size reference. I think because this one has a silver hardware and the pochette accessories has silver hardware, it kind of works perfect. But if you have regular canvas, both with gold hardware, that would also work great. Pochette accessories would look great with a little chain like this. So maybe I can get like a little chain to accessorize it with. I think it looks great. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with what this piece can hold inside. I've never owned a pochette accessories before. I did, however, one time manage to order pochette accessories in monogram canvas on Louis Vuitton website, and that was 2 price increases ago. So it was like around $1,000. I want to say it was maybe like 1,090, something like that. And when I received the package and I opened it, the piece was made in France. However, it did have some like pretty deep scratch on the vachetta strap, and it was pretty noticeable. Kind of bothered me enough that I decided to just take it back to Louis Vuitton store and return it. And it was so funny because literally like a few days after, there was a price increase, and a part of me thought for a minute like, oh my god, do I regret this? But then I was like, no. And the reason why I don't regret it, again, because it had a scratch, so it didn't feel like a brand new item should. Like, it should be pretty perfect. And also, I did notice that there were like some crookedness going on overall. So again, the piece was made in France, and I wasn't expecting that from a piece made in France. It should be perfect. And also, lastly, maybe it was because it was made out of canvas, the whole thing just felt super flimsy to me. It didn't feel like it was worth $1,000 to me. So yeah, I just returned it, took it back to the store, and they had no issues returning it. I guess they were like kind of happy because it's such an in-demand piece and they didn't have any in stock at the store. Again, I purchased it online, but they did take it in the store, and that was that. I never looked back. Guys, you won't believe how much I paid for this iconic Louis Vuitton Pochette accessories. It currently retails for $12.90 US. This is an older version with no interior pocket, and it is in used condition with few flaws. As you can see, the handle is splitting, and also it's got plenty of patina, discoloration on vachetta leather, and the edges of the canvas are fraying where the handle is attached. As you can see, I'm showing it to you right here. However, it is nice and clean inside, and I believe it was a total steal at $40 at an estate sale. What do you guys think? Do you agree it was a great deal? Leave me a comment below. This piece, because it is Epi Leather, so it's full leather, it feels so much more substantial and so much more quality than the monogram piece. This just feels so much more luxurious in my opinion. I don't see any crooked stitches so far or anything like that, so it is made in France, and this was way under $1,000. So buying pre-loved, sometimes you can find a gem like this and you can save and get a piece in exact color that you want, and it is no longer produced. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. I hope if you're hunting for a piece that you want, you find whatever it is that you're looking for. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful, and if you did, consider giving it a like and consider subscribing to my channel as well. I do appreciate all my subscribers. Shout out to you guys, and I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye bye.